This is recycling, which is simply converting waste into reusable material. But if you want to up your green game, recycling expert Mark Krabs introduces us to upcycling, downcycling, and precycling. We'll start with downcycling, which means breaking an item down and turning it into something else.
A couple of the products that we collect or people put into their bins, we downcycle. And so one of those is glass being used for concrete, and others are water bottles. Water bottles can actually be used in some of the shirts that we wear.
Like the kind San Diego clothing company SandCloud makes. They use yarn from this recycling center in North Carolina. Plastic bottles are spun into spools of yarn that can make up to 70 adult-sized shirts.
And those 70 shirts is about 560 plastic water bottles out of our ocean.
Next up, we're turning trash to treasure with upcycling.
It's finding a use for a product or doing something where you can take a product and instead of getting rid of it, you can actually do something else with it.
Examples would be a wine bottle into a glass, candle, or even a lantern. Mark likes YouTube channels 5 Minute Crafts and Slide House, which have endless ideas on how to upcycle almost anything. We'll wrap our list with precycling, which basically means no cycling.
So precycling is basically pre-planning before you go into a store. And so you can use bags to collect your groceries instead of collecting plastic bags.
While you may know that plastic grocery bags can be recycled only at the grocery store, plastic produce bags go straight to the landfill.
Unfortunately, those are actually horrible for recycling, and they actually don't have an end use for them. So if you bring your own bag, you can actually reuse it and really save a lot of the trash that goes into landfills.
You can find a set of produce bags online for less than $10. Mark says the one type of recycling you do want to avoid is wish cycling. That is hoping some item can be recycled when in reality, it can't be recycled.
Is if you don't know, throw it away. Don't hope and don't wishfully recycle, hoping that it finds a secondary home.
You can visit recyclingsimplified.com to find out if your items can be recycled or not. Sorting out the world of recycling with up, down, and precycling.